Hey everyone, it's Orlando Streets, and today we are checking in on the construction progress at Suncrest Village, which began in June of 2021, or about 10 months ago as of this recording. As you can see, the completely rebuilt Publix supermarket is almost complete on the outside, and I'm told the inside is about 80% complete, including the brand new 3,000 square foot mezzanine. The shopping center has received an updated facade and paint job. The parking lot has received a new coat of asphalt, but remains unfinished. I expect they will clean up the landscaping and add some colorful flowers. All of the building's roofs are being refinished, as you can see, with about 4 to go. The brand new 51,000 square foot Publix will feature a 3,000 square foot mezzanine, cooking school, deli, bakery, pharmacy, fresh flowers, meat, produce, and more. The grand reopening is expected to happen this July 2022. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.